Yeah, we're gonna do this an all red look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. إذا أنتم هون جديد أهلا وسهلا فيكم. أنا سارة لي, a beautician based here in Lebanon. So for today's video رح نكون عم نعمل my most famous signature look is my red eyeliner. So اليوم that's what we're going to be doing. Red eyeliner. One, you're going to learn how to do an eyeliner, and you're gonna learn how to do an eyeliner with lipstick. So we're gonna start, and before I get into it, red eyeliner can be worn anytime in the year. صيفية, شتوية, spring, خريف, اللي بدكن اياه. فيكن بالنهار اللي بيطلع عبالكن شو ما يكون المناسبة فيكن تحطوا red eyeliner. Looks sexy, it looks different, it looks not, you know, the typical one. And if you're someone that is daring, which in here we are someone that dares themselves to do something, you know, a little bit not the usual, then this look is definitely for you, and this eyeliner is definitely for you. We're gonna start, and I'm gonna teach you the trick and tips and all that to, you know, nail the red eyeliner lipstick look. So my most favorite lipstick to create an eyeliner with is actually this Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick in the color Goals. هيدا كان مع ال Christmas set. It's a beautiful red, like red. What I usually do is that I take a glass where I usually put on my makeup. So I take a little bit because it dries. Then I take a painting brush, and I usually use it for eyeliner. And I just keep turning it around. Obviously I prepped the lids. I did just powdered and primer and all these things. So now I'm gonna take a mirror and I'm gonna start. So be very careful because it is a lipstick, so you can't really go back and forth with it. So I just created this first wing. Colored liners are my favorite to do. I swear to God, more than the black. I love black eyeliners, but it's just so usual, you know, it's something you do the entire time, which is why I'm like, okay, bored, next. I always need this little extra something, you know, to keep me excited. So red, green, brown. I did rose gold eyeliner once, if you guys would like to see it. It's in my Instagram. You can use eyeshadow, obviously, but the problem is that with eyeshadow it just takes time to build. بيصير في كتير هرهرة وهيك especially if you're someone that has this red lipstick and just doesn't use it. It's the perfect way to finally use it. So again, I said this dries very fast. Okay, so we finished this eye. Now I'm gonna do this eye. So see, you can literally do this so thin, like a classic eyeliner, or you can thicken it up a little bit but make it sharp so that it still has this like I'm gonna kill you vibe. At some point the brush may become kind of like dirty-ish. هو بس لأنه بيكون it kind of has dried lipstick, that's why. If you want it to go back, you know, a better shape, to be really angled, all that, just take a tissue and wipe it, you know, keep wiping it in a straight direction, and it should go back as new, and you could be able to you know, refill your brush with a new coat of lipstick. Now I'm not gonna lie, the whole lipstick eyeliner process is a little bit kind of messy, complicated, especially that if you make a mistake, it goes everywhere. Like, it's shown that you did a mistake. If you don't want to do a mistake, like I did, put on Scotch tape. I have a video on how you can do it and how you can create the perfect eyeliner shape with that. So you do it that way, you know, you're kind of mistake proof. you're gonna need to be very patient with it. You're gonna need a few coats. You're gonna need to, you know, make sure that everything is in place before you set it with powder and all of these things. So yeah, so I'm just gonna look at it one more time. I'm gonna see if there's anything that needs more, because I think, if I'm not wrong, I can't really see right now since I don't have glasses, but this side is a little bit thicker than this side. I might be wrong, but that's what I'm seeing right now in front of me. I'm just gonna make them equal. If you think it's not gonna suit you, or you applied it and you were like, that doesn't look good on me, like for example me, if I put on white eyeliner, it doesn't look good at all, at all, at all. It looks very unflattering on me. But if I put on black eyeliner and then on top I put on white, then it looks flattering. So let's say you put on the red and you look at it and you're like, this looks horrible. I look like I haven't slept and I've been crying and I've been not doing anything but eating ice cream off my couch while watching a horrible romance movie that is unlogical, unbeautiful, unflattering, but somehow I'm crying at it. Then the only thing and the most simplest thing you can do is to apply a black eyeliner on top of it, and it will kind of make it look better, because then your eyes will have like longer looking lashes ish. Your eyes will be, you know, better flattered. Right now they look, you know, different. It looks different. I really like how this looks. So we're gonna continue our makeup, our little red theme makeup. I should be doing this in like Valentine, but like red eyeliner never goes out of style, and you can feel sexy any time of the year. You can feel sexy, dangerous, kind of a femme fatale vibe any time of the year. So there's gonna be a little fun little tutorial over on Instagram moment with the Bad Romance song. It's gonna be very short, but very enjoyable. So since this is a matte lipstick, obviously it's gonna dry out matte, but I matte it out more when I apply the eyeshadow, just to set it in place with this technique and with these products, so that it doesn't move or crease or do any of these things. And I did things like sweaty things, and it didn't budge, crease, or anything like that. So this is sweat proof. Now what I'm gonna be using to set it is this from Juicy Beauty, the Vogue palette 772. I'm going to be using this, which is the red one. I'm going to tap it on top. I'm going to take an angled brush. Okay, so now I picked it up in this angled brush from Royal Cosmetics Royal Gold R10. It's a double-sided brush. I took it on the angled side. I'm gonna use mascara. Obviously, if you have something else than black mascara, use it, try with it. I currently don't have anything else but black mascaras. So I'm gonna use this mascara from Maximizer, Lady Lola. I already have it on. I'm just gonna apply another layer to enhance the blackness. I mean, how beautiful is that? The mascara has been on my lashes and it has dried out for a lot of hours. We're not talking about 30 minutes even. We're talking about, it's been on my lashes since 8. Now it's about 5 in the afternoon, and I just brushed it and I got my lashes looking fresh again. I mean, not many mascaras can do that. So we're gonna apply another coat to the other side. And the more you apply black with red eyeliner, the more beautiful it's gonna be. The more the red will like shine through in between the lashes, and it will look stunning with a little mistake. So the more black you can get it, the better it is. اوكي فهلا رح استعمل هيدا الليدي لولا long lasting waterproof eyeliner. I mean ما بعرف شو بدي اقول عنه, بس انه you can use white, you can use black, it's really gonna depend on you. You can use red as well if you want. Black or red just makes it look so much more sultry and just gives it much more of an intense look. So we're gonna be using black. And if you don't want it to be that intense, you cannot put anything on the waterline or a nude color for your waterline. مرة عملت هيدا الريد وكنت عند حدا وصار يقول لي في شي عينك. أنا طلعت فيه انجذبت. في شي عوين عينك هون على جنب. خطرت عبالي تكة انه عم بيحكي عن الايلاينر، بس قلت انه الطريقة اللي عم بيحكي فيها انه في شي غلط. لا شلت المراية، يعني ما بعملها انا هاي انه شيل المراية قدام حدا يعني، وخصيصة من السكورة يعني. شلناها، اطلع ما لاقي شي، انه الريد ايلاينر هيدا هو فقط لا غير، ما في شي تاني. طبعا ما بحياته شايف بنت حاطة ريد ايلاينر، فكرنا يمكن مدممة بعين، الله بيعرف. I mean يعني ما بعرف اذا الشو عم يعمل هيك، بس ان شاء الله تكونوا اشعين. ماشي فسخت 2. خلص حنسكر، ما رح نستعملها اليوم. منا حننقل للوجه، رح نستعمل بلاش اكتر من اي شي تاني. Like our lives depended on it. فبدنا نعطيها شوي of a summery vibe. وهلا all the colors من الدالي contouring powder palette، كل ال contouring و bronzer shades. We're just gonna tap it in. Obviously you can't say a stunning red eyeliner without saying highlighter. I'm gonna take this R12 كمان من Royal Gold، وراح استعمل ال pink shade تبعول الكايدا cosmetics the wet set. فهي هيدا ال sugar coated. We want to look like a glazed donut. That's what we want. We don't want anyone to be able to tell the difference between us and a glazed donut. I prep my lips قبل ما نبلش. استعملت هيدا obviously like always هيدا lip scrub من عند ألياك، و lip balm اللي هو من عند Beesline. Okay, so we're going to line our lips مع هيدا ليدي لولا bloody red. So a while ago I tested out this technique, which involves putting a Q-tip in between your teeth. Honestly, with red lipstick, the whole Q-tip technique is the best. No 1,000 hours to, you know, try to fix it again. It's easy, it's simple, it's fast. It's a good technique. So as usual, as a last step to rehydrate and, you know, getting a little bit back of freshness into the skin, I'm going to use هيدا الألياك facial mist. It has vitamin C, aloe vera, and rose water. So I just spray to hydrate. Oh my god, this feels good. So this was the final look. Tell me what you think. Will you try colored eyeliners? I'm gonna try to create more colored eyeliners. But yeah, for today I thought for summer red is amazing, for autumn red is amazing, for winter red is amazing, for spring it's amazing. It's simply amazing. You can never go wrong with red eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, like if you liked it, obviously. Comment down below if you have any questions, or if you have any recommendations, any tutorial, any review you would like to see next. And I'll see you in my next video.